Hello everybody, Mark Stepp here with another update that I want to share. We've added a new virtual business card, and the way you get to that is in the upper right corner. Click on your initials, and whenever you first come in, you won't see it. There will be a display business card once you've done the setup process. We're going to come here to the setup, go into business card, and from here you can go through the process of setting up your information that you want on your virtual business card. Now, we don't pre-fill this because we don't want to presume that there's information that you've got in your profile that you really want to have in here, but you certainly could put whatever you want to in here. First name, last name, your address, phone numbers, emails, all this information. And any kind of description that you may want to put in. So you can put in information about yourself and maybe the services that you provide. You put all that in. You can then choose to upload a photo, upload a logo. You'll see those then get displayed up at the top. And you can choose what color you want your card to be, the base color and the text color. Now, in the future, we'll probably be doing some additional enhancements to the design of this, but basically what it does is it gives you then the ability to create a QR code. Now, the QR code itself is the location of your virtual business card. You can, if you choose to, just click on the download button and download the QR code. It'll be put into your downloads area, and then you could put that into other documents or whatever you want. You will save your data once you've got all your data entered. You'll want to save it and then be available. Once it is available, then you can come up to the display business card, and this will show not the business card, but this will show your QR code to get to the business card. So how would you use this in a normal process? Now, what I want to do is kind of show you the process. What I'm going to do is take my camera on my phone. I'm moving it over the top of the image itself. You'll see that you see the Open in Chrome icon. You can click on that, and what it does then is it will take that QR code and take you to the virtual card itself. Once you've got the virtual card on your phone, your client, whoever is actually viewing this, can then take this information. They can click on the email to email. They can click on the phone to dial. They can click on the address. If you put your full address in there, it will give you driving directions. The link will take you to the website, or you can also click on the button to add to the address book. Whenever you do that, it will add the information into the address book and be able to see what's in there, and then go through the process of adding to an existing contact or creating a new contact. So this is just a simple way of setting up the system so that whenever you share your QR code, which could be on printed material, it could be on your phone. One thing that we could do, and actually I'm going to move this back over here, give you an example. Now, this is a image of my phone, and it's just going through Sam as an example here. So I've got my phone. Up in the upper right corner is my little logo. I can click on that and click on Display Business Card. So now if somebody wants your information, you pull up Sam, you click on the button to display the card, and there is your QR code. They can then scan that with their phone to get to your information and be able to see and add that information to their existing phone book. So some really cool capability there to set up your own virtual business card, use it as a QR code to get to that business card, and share that with all your contacts that you've got out there. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, certainly reach out. We'll be happy to answer them for you. Have a great day.